Hello everyone. So today we are going to start exercise 8.1 question number 2. In my previous video I already solved question number 1, so this time I'm going to solve question number 2. Okay, so first of all I'm going to explain the basic concept of this question number 2. Okay, so you listen carefully. See, in the question they ask to find 10p minus cot r. Okay, we have to find this value. Okay, so now how you will find out? See, first of all we will find 10p. Okay, first of all we will find the value of 10p, and then we will find the value of cot r. Okay, and finally what we will do, the value of these two we will plot here, no, and then we will plot here and we will simplify, then we will get the answer. Understood, no? So how you will find out, that things I'm going to explain. Okay, so first of all I'm going to draw the triangle, this triangle. Okay, so let us name it p, q and r. Okay, p, q and r. Now see, in the question it is already given that this PR is 13. Okay, PR is 13 centimeter and PQ is 12 centimeter, right? Now what we have to do, we have to find this QR. Okay, we have to find this QR, so QR is question mark. Now how you will find that one I'm going to explain. So we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem I already explained in previous video. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so here hypotenuse is which one? PR. This one is hypotenuse, right? So we will write here PR square plus, equal to, okay, equal base. So base is which one? Base is this one, so we will write here QR square, then plus perpendicular is this one, PQ. Okay, so we will write here PQ and then square. So after this all, what we will do, we will put the value. Okay, so here see PR, no, so PR value is given, that is 13 square, and then QR is not given. QR we have to find out, so QR will remain similar, and then plus PQ. So PQ is given how much? PQ is given 12. Okay, now what we will do, now we will find out the square of this 13. So when you will square this 13, then you will get 169. Okay, so it will be 169, and then QR will remain same, plus 12. So square of 12 will give us 144. This one is 4. Okay, 44. Now what we will do, we will interchange this value, we will take in left hand side. Okay, QR square plus 144 equal to 169. Okay, then after that we will simplify. So I hope you all know how to simplify this value. So 169 is there, and this plus is there, no, it will become minus, and then 144 we will shift in left right hand side. Okay, 144. So when you will subtract QR, this one, QR square is equal to, don't be confused. Okay, so when you will subtract 144 from 169, then you will get how much? 25. Okay, you will get 25. Now after this all, QR square is equal to 25 is there. When this square will go in right hand side, then it will become root. Okay, so it will be root 25. So it will be root 25. So square root of 25 will be how much? Square root of 25 will be 5, right? You know how to find the square root, no? So you can find out by yourself, and then so see here how much we get. We get here 25, I mean 5. So see, now again for better understanding I'm going to draw again this figure P, Q and R. Now see, in the question it is already given this hypotenuse is 13 and this perpendicular is 12, and just now we get QR, no, QR how much we get? 5 centimeter. Okay, so we already get these three value, hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Okay, now what we will do, just before I said, no, we have to find the value of 10 p cot r. Okay, cot r. So this question depend on this value only. When you will get the value of 10p and quote r, 10p and quote r, then easily you can simplify and you can find out the solution of this question. Okay, so now listen carefully. Okay, 10p, no, this is 10p. So in my previous video formula also I have given, so that formula, just you remind that formula. I am going to apply that formula. Okay, so 10p is what? Turn permanently black. Okay, turn permanently black minus quarter, and quote is what? Quote broke the pen, right? So look here, 10p is what? Turned permanently black, and quote is what? Quote broke the pen. Okay, now you listen carefully. See, we have to find, see, 10p we have to find. So p angle is forming here, right? So right opposite to this angle is which side? Right opposite to this angle is this one, yes or no? This side is opposite to this angle p. So which one will be perpendicular? This QR will be perpendicular. Okay, QR will be perpendicular. Okay, QR will be perpendicular. Now which one will be base? So see, if this one is perpendicular, then obviously this one is going to be base. Okay, so PQ will be base. PQ will be base. Then minus. Now we have to find the value of quote R. So in terms of quote R, see, this R is angle is forming at R, right? This is R. So right opposite to this angle is which one? This one, yes or no? Right opposite to this angle is this one. So PQ, yes or no? So this one will be perpendicular. Okay, this one will be perpendicular. And if this PQ is perpendicular, then QR will be base. Yes or no? QR will be base. So see, quote broke the pen. So B stand for base and P stand for perpendicular. So which one is base here? QR. QR will be base and perpendicular. So right opposite to this angle is this side. Okay, this side. So PQ. So PQ will be perpendicular. Now you see, so this is what? QR. Okay, this one is QR. QR by PQ minus QR by PQ. Okay, now what we will do, you see in the figure, QR is how much? QR is 5, so we will write here 5. And PQ is how much? PQ is 12, so we will write down here 12. Then minus, again QR is how much? 5, so we will write here 5. And PQ is how much? PQ is 12. Okay, this PQ is 12, so we will write here 12. Understood? Then this process you know, no, how to solve. So first of all, we will take the LCM of 12 and 12. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 12 will give us 12. You know how to find the LCM, no? Now what we will do, when you will divide this 12, okay, when you will divide this 12 by this 12, then you will get 1, right? So 1 into 5 will give us 5. Okay, then minus, again when you will divide this 12 by this one, okay, then you will get 1, and 1 into this 5 will give us 5. Okay, so as you all know that 5 minus 5 will give us 0 upon, and 12 will remain here. So when you will divide 0 by 12, then you will get 0. So finally answer we get 0. Okay, understood? Finally answer we get 0. So in this way you have to solve. So I'm just going to scroll it. Okay, and see, wait, I'm going to write here the solution also. So see, this is the solution of this question. I'm going to scroll. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can write down the solution properly. Okay, see, this is the solution of this question number 2. So you can write nicely. Okay, and good student always used to cooperate with their teacher. So first thing is what? You write down this all notes and you follow the explanation, then I'm sure that you will be able to understand my explanation. Okay, and wherever you will have doubt, when the school will reopen, at that time you can ask your doubt, then I will try to clear. Okay, understood now? Yeah, so I'm going to scroll it. Okay, see, all the explanation, whatever I explained, I attach here, so you can look over it. Okay, and you, if it possible, then please watch the video, full video you watch, then only you will understand. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this question. The main thing is this one. Okay, see, 10p minus quote R. So when you will find the value of 10p and quote R, and then easily you can simplify it. Okay, see here little bit the figure is not clear, so when during explanation time, when I explain these all things, no, at the time when you will watch carefully, then you will understand everything. Okay, nothing will be confusion there here. Okay, so I'm trying my best to explain you and make you understand. Okay, so you please watch this video, or means watch this video properly. Okay, then only you will understand. Okay, so for today only this much, and see you in next video.